It's a lazy day on the farm today. No, not really. Never a lazy day on the farm. Unless you're spooky. Or HO. Lazy day. Anyway, we are finished up the last thing we got to do on the garden for the season. You can see Terrell took over the tilling for a little while. There he goes. The garden's looking good. Terrell! 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 I think Terrell's deaf. Terrell! Was that a rock? Oh! I'll be there in a sec. Throw it out! Alright.
Hey, that ain't fucking organic, fucker.
There's a little boy. Anyway, we have inoculated our seed with a bunch of bacteria, as you can see in there. That's our hairy vetch seed, and we have inoculated it with non-GMO Guard and Premium Soil Inoculant, which has a bunch of bacteria that I can pronounce. Rhizobium, Rhizobium laguncensorium, Biovar facetiae, whatever. Anyway, it's been a good year. See a better one next. Later.